So let's take a look at how you can create HyperApp application with the help of CDN and also very small framework footprint. Okay, so if you go to hyperapp.js.org, you will find page something like this. Now click on this GitHub icon and you will find that GitHub repository where you will be shown how to install and use HyperApp. Okay, so I'm not going through the process of your local development setup. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply create one HTML file, as you can see here, and here I'm going to simply point to HyperApp.js from the CDN link and combine my code. So let's create basic HTML. Okay, next is using body tag. Here you can use script source. Okay, now here I'm going to make use of CDN link. So open browser, search for HyperApp CDN unpackage. That should point you to the link where you can find HyperApp's latest JS file. You can copy this URL, point to your script source. That's it. Now inside this body tag, simply come up with script tag here. Now next you can do is import, then curly bracket, h, then app from. Now here you can use HyperApp. Next thing to do would be constant state, set it to nil. Okay, then constant actions, set it to nil, and constant view should contain your state and actions. So state, then actions, and here what we're going to do is we're going to use h function that contains h2 tag. So we are going to use double quotes for HTML tag, then curly bracket, and simply the content that we want to show. So let's say my channel name, and here, okay. Now what we're going to do is we are going to simply call for window.main and then call for app state actions view and document.body. That's it. Okay. Once you save these, you can simply open this index.html and here you see your output. Okay, so as you can see, if you are seeing this, that means your HyperApp is properly compiled. You can additionally use other libraries and extend this. Let's say you can use Bootstrap or the Foundation and make this much better example with the code and come up with something like say static pages, which you can deploy on Netlify, Heroku, and other websites.